Rise and shine! So for our day 1, we visited Bitugo Cliff, Kapilay Spring Park, and the famous Palitan Beach. This can all be seen and found in San Juan. Let's go!
Just like to comment that the cliff is so striking, it's so high. I've never been in a cliff this beautiful before. I'd love to dive just like other tourists, but I do not have the outfit and the energy to dive right now. Maybe in the future, I'd love to go back and do diving here if permitted. And yung previous picture pala with black background, that's the love potion na pinabili ng friend ko as a souvenir. Nung bumili nga ako, tinawanan ako ni ate, tsaka tinawanan din ako ng ibang turista na namimili ng souvenir. Hindi naman tayo sana naniniwala dun, pero if that's gonna be the last option, why not? Matry nang gamitin. Heading to our final destination of the day, the famous Palitan Beach. Dito nga ang Sand Castle and the Witch Broomstick. Di ko lang alam ko anong term dito. And I must say, ang daming family. Yun nga lang, walang para sa akin. So, parang magagamit nga natin yung love potion. Pero, maya na pagkawin. I gave it a try. Nilibot ko, wala talaga. Anyways, thank you for joining us. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!